Welcome back. Today we are looking at a modern take on NZXT H9 Elite Liquid PC build, the NZXT H7 Flow RGB MidTower ATX Airflow PC Case BL review. The evolution of PC chassis design has consistently walked a fine line between minimalist aesthetic appeal and extreme thermal performance. With the release of the NZXT H7 Flow RGB MidTower ATX Airflow PC Case Black, NZXT addresses the core demands of high-wattage modern hardware configurations. Check the video description for the updated price link. Modern graphics cards and multi-core processors generate immense thermal loads, forcing engineers to rethink how air flows through a standard mid-tower chassis. This case is engineered from the ground up to optimize static pressure, laminar airflow paths, and thermal isolation zones, ensuring that power-hungry components maintain peak performance under sustained loads. Positioned as an advanced evolution within high-performance building categories, sharing conceptual design cues with high-end setups like the related product guide. The H7 Flow RGB integrates factory-optimized cooling solutions right out of the box. Featuring a pre-installed 360mm RGB fan unit, dedicated bottom GPU cooling pathways, and seamless NZXT CAM-ready lighting integrations, this mid-tower chassis caters to builders who demand both pristine visual presentation and uncompromising engineering. When examining the internal mechanics of the NZXT H7 Flow RGB, the attention to structural integrity and thermodynamic efficiency becomes immediately apparent. The chassis utilizes a meticulously perforated front and top panel geometry, designed to maximize volumetric airflow while filtering out intrusive particulate matter. Unlike traditional solid panel designs that choke intake fans, the high-porosity mesh acts as a uniform diffuser, reducing acoustic turbulence and lowering fan resistance. One of the standout structural features is the inclusion of a pre-installed 360mm RGB fan unit. This massive front-facing intake array delivers a high volume of cool, ambient air directly across the motherboard tray, feeding fresh air to both the central processing unit and the primary graphics card slots. Furthermore, NZXT has incorporated dedicated bottom GPU cooling channels. By utilizing an optimized PSU shroud layout with strategic venting, intake air from the lower chamber sweeps directly upward into heavy, triple-slot graphics cards, effectively eliminating the stagnant heat pockets that traditionally form beneath massive GPU coolers. A clean exterior aesthetic is worthless if the interior cable routing resembles a bird's nest. NZXT has long been an industry leader in cable management infrastructure, and the H7 Flow RGB takes this reputation to new heights. The case features a wide, dedicated routing channel behind the motherboard tray equipped with pre-installed Velcro straps, robust tie-down points, and carefully positioned pass-through channels. This layout allows even novice builders to achieve professional-grade cable management with minimal effort. On the lighting front, the case comes fully CAM-ready out of the box. Integration with NZXT's proprietary software ecosystem allows users to synchronize lighting profiles, monitor real-time thermal telemetry, and adjust fan curves with pinpoint accuracy. The addressable RGB LEDs integrated into the cooling hardware offer vibrant color accuracy and smooth lighting transitions, transforming the interior chamber into a dynamic showcase for high-end components. To evaluate the true capability of the NZXT H7 Flow RGB, we subjected it to intensive stress testing utilizing an overclocked high-core count CPU and a flagship GPU under sustained 100 workloads. The results were exceptionally impressive. Thanks to the high-volume intake provided by the pre-installed 360mm fan unit and the focused bottom GPU cooling, core component temperatures dropped significantly compared to standard closed-front mid-tower alternatives. Acoustically, the chassis performs remarkably well. Because the perforated panels allow air to pass freely without encountering high-resistance surface areas, system fans do not need to spin at maximum RPM to achieve adequate cooling. This translates to a significantly quieter baseline operation during everyday tasks, and even under full gaming loads. The acoustic profile remains smooth and unobtrusive, characterized by a soft white noise hum rather than high-pitched turbulence. Check the link in the description to get yours today.